The megatrends of today are what drive RENA to create and produce perfect surfaces.
RENA is striving to deliver world-class excellence in chemical processing. With Black Forest roots and our global sales and service network, RENA is the ideal partner worldwide for all our customers.
Five RENA innovation hubs are constantly developing processes for our clients to achieve perfect surface quality. More than 130 engineers are passionate about designing tailor-made solutions and software, creating masterpieces for our customers. On more than 25,000 square meters of production floor worldwide, we manufacture highest quality, providing flexible and high throughput equipment. 150 service experts at 20 service locations globally contribute to making RENA machines a long-term success story. RENA offers the right answers for the challenges of today's megatrends, whether silicon, glass, metal, or any other high-tech surface. We provide innovative and efficient manufacturing solutions. RENA, the art of wet processing.